Sairam children, in previous video you saw the discussion of new chapter about the mosquitoes. As you know that mosquitoes numbers of mosquitoes increase in the rainy season, as we discussed yesterday. Now, what happens when someone suffers from a disease known as malaria? It's a very common disease, but it's dangerous also. What happens during malaria? High shivering, शरीर कपकपाता है, ठंड लगती है, and then fever, high fever. बहुत तेज बुखार और कपकपी आती है. And when we take the medicine, a proper course of medicine, 7 days, 10 days, as prescribed by the doctor, the taste of our tongue also change. In today's discussion, we'll discuss more about it. Let's see. A treat of mosquitoes, and now about anemia. Yesterday, a very important point was medicine for malaria. Cinchona tree, bark of cinchona tree used to make a medicine for malaria, and earlier people, they knew how to use it. People used to boil the bark powder and stain the water which was given to patients. उसकी जो छाल होती है, जो बार्क होती है, उसको निकाल कर फिर उसको बॉइल किया जाता है. बॉइल करने के बाद उसको छान के और ठंडा करके उस पानी को पिया जाता है. Nowadays, tablets are available, and tablets are also made from this, so it is curable. Now anemia, what's that? एनीमिया का मतलब होता है हमारे शरीर में खून की कमी होना, हीमोग्लोबिन की कमी होना. हीमोग्लोबिन का क्या फंक्शन है, आयरन का क्या फंक्शन है, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू एट द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. हियर इज अ डिस्कशन बिटवीन among the students. Aarti, you know, I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Then Rajat asked, what is that? So to check the blood, in case of malaria test, pathologists take drops of blood from the fingertip on the slide, and to check the hemoglobin percentage, pathologists take blood syringe full of syringe. Why this is? Because when we test for hemoglobin, more blood is needed. But when Aarti said the result of blood test showed that she had anemia, what's that? Rajat asked. Aarti said the doctor told that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा कि बॉडी में हीमोग्लोबिन कम है, आयरन कम है. So the doctor gave some medicine to give me strength, and he also said that I should eat jaggery, amla, and more greeny leafy vegetables because they have iron. It means that if you will take green leafy vegetables in your diet regularly, fruits, especially apple. Among the green leafy vegetables, spinach is the best one. So these things, these eatables have iron in them. And if we take these vegetables, fruits in our diet regularly, there will be proper percentage of hemoglobin in our blood. But children avoid eating green leafy vegetables. We should eat. Doctors also suggest jaggery and amla. Jaggery means गुड़. हमें गुड़ खाना चाहिए. Especially during the time of winters, we have to take jaggery. In summertime, we can avoid it. Amla is a very good source of vitamin C. So we should take amla in any form. आमला हम किसी भी फॉर्म में ले सकते हैं. आमला जूस, आमला पिकल, मुरब्बा, candy, in any form, but we should take amla. Nancy is asking, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskirat said there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, after laughing, said, so then you ate iron or what? हमें भी यही लगता है कि क्या हमें आयरन खाना चाहिए? No. Aarti said, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor has said, my hemoglobin went up. The hemoglobin, vegetables और डॉक्टर जो हमको सलाह देते हैं उससे बढ़ता है. Anemia common in Delhi school. This is one of the report of school of 2007. Thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffer from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. It means that if someone is suffering from anemia, it means less hemoglobin or iron in their body. It will affect physical as well as mental health. And what happens due to anemia? Children do not grow well and their energy level are low. Unki growth proper nahi hoti. And all of you know that children are, this is a growing stage of life. And if their growth stop or could not proper and energy level is less, then number of problems they face. Low energy level, improper growth, this also affects their ability to study properly. So now health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. And anemic children are also being given iron tablets. So government agencies provide iron tablets to schools, especially for those who are anemic. Anemic मतलब जिसका एनीमिया, जिसको एनीमिया है या जिसकी बॉडी में हीमोग्लोबिन का परसेंटेज कम है. So children, what is important? Important is this: we should eat proper food. We should eat balanced diet. You already know about the balanced diet. It means diet which contain all the nutrients in proper or adequate amount is known as balanced diet. So you should not avoid food provided by your mother at home. And don't depend on the food available in packets in the market. Fresh food cooked by your mother in the kitchen is the best food for you. These are the clinical pathological pathology report, and you can also see it properly. The hemoglobin, just gram per deciliter. This is written here. This is very important. This is the unit. This is the unit of hemoglobin. जैसे आप देखते हैं कि कितने किलोमीटर, कितना डिस्टेंस जाना है, तो we measure the distance in meter and kilometer. So kilometer is the unit of distance. Kilogram is the unit of weight. Like this, gram per dl is the unit of hemoglobin. And what is the normal range? 12 to 16 gm per dl. This is for female. 12 to 16 gm per dl. We'll discuss more about the what percentage of hemoglobin in male and female. So minimum hemoglobin should be in our body, in our blood. So when we compare these two clinical pathology report and just see the date. In the first is June, 20th of June, and second is 15th September. It means there is a difference, three months difference. In 3 months different, this patient Aarti, its hemoglobin on 20th of June it was 8, and now on 15th of September it is 10.5. It means when Aarti started eating green leafy vegetables, iron tablets given by the doctors, and other good food, her hemoglobin went up. उसका hemoglobin बढ़ना शुरू हो गया था. So हमें ये बहुत जरूरी है बात को समझना कि why hemoglobin is very important, because our hemoglobin is not proper, so it will affect our growth, it will affect our physical as well as mental health. And how can we study properly? If there is a mental problem, there is a physical problem, there is a low energy level, so we can't do our study. So what is very important, what is most important thing? Right type of food and regular exercise. Now I am giving you one thing, a question. Find out, ask a doctor or elders about the food items which contain iron. I will give answer at the end. Now I am showing you one video about the communicable disease. A communicable disease means which spread from one person to another person through contact, through direct contact or sharing their belongings. So all of you know that this is the corona period. We are maintaining social distance. We are not using the hanky used by our friends. So just first you understand communicable disease, then you can learn so many things about it.
Communicable diseases. Disease is an unhealthy condition or order or disorder. Some diseases are caused by germs such as bacteria.
What is disease? बीमारी को हम क्या कहेंगे? Disease is an unhealthy condition or disorder. जो healthy नहीं है, जो proper order में नहीं है, that is called disease.
Order or disorder. Some diseases are caused by germs such as bacteria and virus and can be spread easily. Communicable diseases are diseases that can spread from one person to another.
How this boy is transmitting germs to a girl, to other child? Because communicable disease is spread from one person to another person through air also.
Communicable diseases are also called contagious or infectious diseases. Measles, typhoid, cholera, malaria, common cold, tuberculosis, sore throat, pneumonia, and chickenpox.
This is a list of communicable disease: measles, typhoid, cholera, malaria, common cold, tuberculosis, sore throat, pneumonia, chickenpox. You can write the names of these diseases.
Are some of the communicable diseases. Some communicable diseases such as measles, cold, pneumonia, spread through sneezing, coughing,
Measles, cold, pneumonia, spread through sneezing, coughing, sharing of towels, hankies, and clothes. Corona also, COVID-19 disease also spread in this way when we share our things with other person.
sharing of towels, handkerchiefs, and cloths of the infected person. Some diseases such as malaria will spread through the bite of mosquito. Diseases like typhoid and cholera spread through contamination.
Typhoid and cholera spread through contaminated food and water. So what precautions we should take? Don't keep the food without cover. And when you want to eat fruit, at that time you cut it. You make slice. Or you can keep it covered. Otherwise, flies and other insects and so many invisible germs settle on these things. And when we consume, we may fall sick. So, typhoid and cholera spread through contaminated food and water.
Food and water. Communicable diseases can be prevented by good hygiene, regular washing of hands.
We should make this habit of washing hands, especially when we are ready to take our food or lunch or breakfast. At that time, before touching food, we have to wash our hands with soap. And proper washing of hands is very important. And after food, after lunch or dinner, we have to wash our hands again. When we want to, when suppose even at home, if you shake hands, then wash your hands with soap again.
Keeping away from infected persons, covering mouth and nose while coughing.
These are the precautions we have to take to protect ourselves from communicable disease, keep a distance from infected person, and use mask covering mouth and nose while coughing and sneezing, and wash your hands regularly.
And sneezing, covering food and water properly
This is the way to cover the food properly.
will prevent many communicable diseases. Vaccination, which is administered.
Vaccination is very important tool to protect our body from a particular type of disease.
Administration of drugs called vaccines will prevent some diseases. Some communicable diseases can be treated with medicines called antibiotics. Summary. Communicable diseases are diseases that can spread from one person to another.
So, one more time, what are communicable disease? Disease that can spread from one person to another person.
Communicable diseases are caused by germs.
Germs means microorganisms. We can't see them. So they are spread by germs and like bacteria and viruses.
Good hygiene and vaccination prevent communicable disease.
Good hygiene, साफ सफाई का प्रॉपर ध्यान रखना और पर्टिकुलर डिजीज की वैक्सीन लेने से हम इन डिजीज से बच सकते हैं.
diseases.
So it was all about the communicable disease. I hope you will take care of yourself. खाना नहीं खाइए and take care of yourself. Thank you, Saida.